And welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. What a lovely morning. Look at the sky. I can't believe it was all drizzly yesterday. And it's a lovely day for a little bit of playing in the muck. Literally playing in the muck. Let me just have a look and see what time it is. It's 9:30. It's 9:30. And the lovely Daniel has delivered our soil. I did actually catch it, but we literally got here, got the tarp down and press film. So that kind of comes next. Never was so much excitement to be had out of something so straightforward and simple. This is lovely Daniel outside his shop from behind his counter, and he's donated us 2 tons of soil. I think most of it went on the tarpaulin. So we've, I don't know whether there'll be enough there. We've got organised and we've got our soil ready. That's fab. That's fab.
You know you're filming.
I am, of course I am. Of course I am. So T-Boy and Training is going to do some hard work today. I don't think there'll be enough there. Oh well. So we've got the soil, and just down there, I'm trying to do this backwards, somewhere kind of over there, I think. No, sorry, this corner. This corner is Daniel and Kevin, who have gone to rescue our plant pots out of storage at the New Yorker. So we're going to have a fun morning playing slap dab. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, don't forget to like the video, share it with all your friends, and then there's another ask on this one as well. Don't forget to join the Care for Cleveleys Facebook group, and if you ever want to come and join in and relive your childhood and come and play mud pies and get mucky, you're always very welcome to come along and join in. All the dates and details for volunteering are on the Facebook group. And here he comes Daniel. This is the fruit and veg shop's pallet truck. Fleetwood Producer's pallet truck, with a guard delivery from the bus. And these are the 2 planters, so there's one on top of the other there. And I'm just wondering whether we're going to have enough soil, because to me that looks like it might be a bit of a short squeeze. But anyway, it'll make it all look much better. So while we're out doing that, I'm going to do some weeding. I'm going to get all these weeds up and make it all look tidy and clean. Are you ready? Oh, plant pot number 1. Wait for it. Let's see whether they manage to drop and break them. Do you want me to give you an hand instead of just standing here watching? Oh, bloody hell, that's heavier than it looks. Pardon my French.
So what are these?
Oh, they're for the railings. Now then, that'll be fine, because it's self-watering. You fill these holes up with water, and then it's self-watering, so you just have to keep running about watering them. That's a Bobby Dazzler, that. And these are for the bus station railings over there. So we're going to look all posh, aren't we? We're going to look all posh. Ooh, that's noisy. So I started doing a job that I've been looking at now for some weeks and thinking I'm going to do that. So I've done that little bit. I've weeded the dandelions out of that, and this is where I'm going. And I've got plenty more to take up, look. They're all over the show. We like dandelions for early food for bees, but in the right place. And these 2 we're levelling. They're on the level. They're putting some sand down and then some wedges underneath so that this one's flat. Because we've all got OCD and we need it to be flat. Hey, we're winning. We've got these full to the top and bursting. We've got a spare pallet to build. Oh, something I can't tell you about yet. We've got some spare soil which is going over there, and they're full and ready. So now we've just had it's in the middle, it's in the middle, it's not in the middle experience over at the bus station, because we're just putting the bus station pots up. So you had to have heard as we were trying to work out whether or not we got them in the middle. Is it in the middle? Is it in the middle? It's in the middle. No, it's not in the middle. Yes, it is in the middle. So Kevin's got his full tool set. So we've got 3 pots to fill. We've got 3 pots to fill. You're doing a good job there, lads. Is it in the middle? Is it in the middle? Are you sure? You need your dad?
He's moved it a little bit.
Has he? Has he moved it? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. So it's going to look nice, that. It's going to look lovely with some flowers in. The other volunteers are out and about tidying up and litter picking. This is Christina. She's doing you're doing a sterling job. You're doing a sterling job. That looks like that wants to go in a bin. In a bin. Here we go. Here's Kevin. What do you need from Liam? Every time he shutters something, he goes to the cheap shop and asks Liam. Oh, what a performance, honestly. Have you got a sock his head? Unbelievable. Poor Liam. Poor long-suffering Liam. Well, that's been a good morning's work, that. We've got some weeds taken up. I right enjoyed doing that. We've shifted the soil into the planters. Planter 1 and planter 2, and there's 3 baskets on the barrier at the bus station. That's not easy to say. I'll show you over there in a moment. Keith, have you had enough? Nearly. I think you need to stop. You've got to remember how old you are. So these are the troughs. So there's 1, 2, 3 troughs. Kevin wants a shovel. Kevin wants a shovel. Now then, have you enjoyed that tea boy in training?
It's been lovely.
Hasn't it been nice? Hasn't it been a nice morning?
It's been lovely.
So if anybody wants to come and join in, all they need to do is just turn up. Is that not right?
There's always a job to do.
There's always a job to do.
The more volunteers we get, the more
Absolutely.
we can do.
The more people that come and help, the more that we can get done. We need some fundraisers. If anybody's good at raising money, please shout up.
And if there's any rich people watching,
yeah, if there's anybody rich watching, and you've got any money stashed away under your mattress,
and you're one of those philanthropic types.
Yeah, we need some more stuff. What a lovely morning that's been. I'm off to the shipwreck now. I'm going to go and see if there's anybody still there, because I'm on the late shift as usual. And then we all trolley off to the shipwreck for a half price coffee, because he's another one of the businesses that support everything that we do in this town. And it's just so lovely that everybody is working together, and we're all creating something quite special, I think. So if you want to come and join in, there's always room for another one. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast, and make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and then when we do another clean up or anything like that, you'll know, because I'll keep telling you. And I must just show you these on my way past, but this is the subject of another video on another day. Have you seen these super duper lovely bollard toppers that the volunteers have been crocheting? I'll show you them on my way past. In fact, you can see them, look, as I'm walking past them. We've got hundreds of bollards in Cleveleys. So the people who can't garden and dig and whatnot, but can crochet, have been making these. And they are starting to fill all the bollards all the way along the high street. Look at this one. It's got little putty cats on it. Let me see if I can show you. It's got little puddy cats on it. Oh, they're lovely. So yeah, so that's how we work together as a community. We have a right good laugh. I mean, you've heard me laughing this morning. It's wonder you've not heard me laughing at home. And it's just good fun. So come and join in. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.